Hi friends, today topic is Chinese remainder theorem. The statement is here shown that m1, m2, etc. mn are positive integers and GCD of mi comma mj equal to 1, I not equal to j. Then the system of equation is given x congruent to a1 mod m1 etc. x congruent to an mod m1 mn. If you solve the equations, you got a unique solutions x bar mod capital M, where capital M is a product of small mi values. And the unique solutions equation is here given. If we use the equations, we got a unique solutions. Okay. Question number 1. The solution of the linear system of linear congruences x congruent to 5 mod 11 and x congruent to 2 mod 19. Here two equations is given. If we solve the two equations, we get a unique solutions x bar. By comparing the Chinese remainder theorem statement, we write the value a1 equal to 5, a2 equal to 2, m1 equal to 11, m2 equal to 9. First we verify that GCD of m1 comma n2 equal to 1. Here the condition is satisfied. So we find capital M value. Capital M is a product of small mi. Here we have two values m1 and m2. So capital M equal to 209. So capital M1 means capital M divided by small m1. So we got 19 and m2 equal to 11. So the unique solutions x bar equal to a1 into capital M1 into m1 inverse mod small m1 plus a2 into capital M2, m2 inverse mod small m2. Overall, we have to take mod capital M. So I just write a value a1 equal to 5 and capital M1 is 19, m1 inverse is 19, 19 inverse mod m1, mod small m1 means mod 11 plus a2 is 2, capital M2 is 11, m2 inverse is 11 inverse mod small m2, that is mod m2 value is 19. Okay. And overall mod capital M, that is mod 209. Okay. In this rough calculation, here I shown that the calculating method. Here A inverse means AX congruent to 1 mod n. So we need to find 19 inverse and 11 inverse. For 19 inverse, n value is 11 and 11 inverse n value is 19. So we calculate 19 times of x congruent to 1 mod 11. So we find the x value. Here I did a rough calculation. 133 is divided by 11 means we get a remainder is 1. So that if you multiply 19 with 7, you got a remainder value is 1. So that 19 inverse value over mod 11 is 7. Similarly, we calculate 11 inverse mod 19 is also 7. So just applying the value 5 into 19 into 7 plus 2 into 11 into 7. Overall, we have to take the value mod 209. If you got the value is 819 mod 209. So the final answer is 192. So the choice is C. Okay. Question number 2. The least positive common solution of the linear congruence x congruent to 1 mod 3, x congruent to 2 mod 4, x congruent to 3 mod 5. Yes. Here it is multiple choice questions. So we have more than one answers. it is possible. Okay. By comparing the Chinese remainder theorem with this problem, we get A1 equal to 1, A2 equal to 2, A3 equal to 3, and M1 equal to 3, M2 equal to 4, M3 equal to 5. Also capital M equal to multiple values of M1, M2, M3, so that capital M equal to 60, and capital M1 equal to 20, capital M2 equal to 15, M3 equal to 12. Also M1 inverse is nothing but 20 inverse over mod 3. Okay. So 20 inverse, first initially we write it in the form of 2 inverse. By using the formula, A inverse implies AX congruent to 1 mod n. So 2x congruent to 1 mod 3, which implies x equal to 2. So inverse 20 inverse is equal to 2 over mod 3. Similarly, for 15 inverse, we get the value 3, and 12 inverse, we get the value is also 3. Now substitute all these values in unique solutions x bar. We get the solutions x bar equal to A1 is 1 into 20 into 20 inverse 2 plus A2 2 into 15 into 3 plus 3 into 5 into M3 inverse is also 3. Overall, you have to take a mod M value is 60, mod 60. By adding all the values, we got 238 mod 60. It's one of the answer. There is choice B, and also it can be written in the form. If you take mod value, you get x bar equal to 58 mod 60. Okay. So both the choices are occurred in a question, so that we have two choices. Choice A 58 and choice B 238. Next question, question 3. This question, it may be taken as an exercise. If you have a doubt, just see the previous problem solutions, you got an answer. Okay. So another question, question number 4. Find all positive integers that give the remainder 2, 6, 5 when divided by 5, 7, 11. So you have to form the equations. So remainder is 2 over mod 5. So x congruent to 2 mod 5, and x congruent to 6 mod 7, x congruent to 5 mod 11. Now using the Chinese remainder theorem, we will write A1 equal to 2, M1 equal to 5, A2 equal to 6, M2 equal to 7, A3 equal to 5, M3 equal to 11. And capital M equal to 385, capital M1 equal to 77, capital M2 equal to 55, capital M3 equal to 35. Also x bar equal to, we write the equations. Now apply the values. Also M1 inverse is 3, M2 inverse is 6, M3 inverse is also 6. So that x bar equal to 2 into 77 into 3 plus A2 value 6 into 55 into 6 plus A3 value 5 into 35 into 6, and overall you have to take mod 385. So that you got an answer is 3492 mod 85. So finally you got 27 mod 85, mod 385, sorry, yeah, not 85, it is mod 385, mod 385, or it can be written in the form of 27 plus 385k. So this is the solutions. So next question, question number 5. The least positive integer except x equal to 1 which satisfies the congruences x congruent 1 mod 3, x congruent 1 mod 5, x congruent 1 mod 7 is. By comparing the Chinese similar theorem with these questions, you got a1 equal to 2, a2 equal to 1, a3 equal to 1, m1 equal to 3, m2 equal to 5, m3 equal to 7, and capital M equal to 105, and m1 equal to capital M1 equal to 35, capital M2 equal to 21, capital M3 equal to 15. So x bar equal to, also m1 inverse, m2 inverse, m3 inverse are shown in the rougher column. It is m1 inverse is 2, m2 inverse is 1, m3 inverse is also 1. Okay. Just apply all the values in x bar. You got a unique value. That is x bar equal to 1 into 35 into 35 inverse value is 2 plus a2 value 1 into 21 into m2 inverse is 1 plus a3 value 1 into 15 into m3 inverse values is also 1, and capital M value is 35, mod 35. So we got some value is 106 mod 35. If you take mod value, you got x bar equal to 1 mod 35, but we need an answer is except at x equal to 1. Just understand this word. So if you have the answer 1, so you don't consider. Okay. So choice A is not in the answer for this questions. So we have to choose choice B. 106 is the correct answer. Next question. The least positive integer of x congruent to 1 mod 4, x congruent to 0 mod 3, x congruent to 5 mod 7. Again, choose Chinese similar theorem statement using the use Chinese similar theorem statement. A1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 0, and a3 equal to 5. M1, M2, M3 values are 4, 3, 7, and capital M equal to 84. Capital M1 equal to 21, and M1 inverse is 1. M2 value is 28. We don't need to calculate M2 inverse because A2 value is 0. So the second term is entirely removed from x bar, and M3 equal to 12. So M3 inverse equal to 3. Now apply all these values in this equation. X bar equal to 1 into 21 into 1 plus A2 value is 0, and A3 is 5 into M3 M3 is 12. M3 inverse is 3. So mod 84. If you add all these values, you got 201. Mod 84. So the final answer is 33 or 33 plus 84K. So the choice is D.